Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing the KAWA D10 4K dashcam. I will inspect its build quality, features and try its performance on the road, and I will let you decide whether it's good for you or not. So let's start with the unboxing. In the box you will find a manual, a 64GB SD card, 4 anti-static stickers for sticking on the windshield, a rear dash camera with the cable attached, M stickers, another cable for the front camera. This cable has USB-A and a mini USB interface. Along with it, it has a cigarette lighter adapter. It also has a crowbar for installation of the cable behind the panels of the car. And it has a separate mount for the dashcam. The D10 has a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The front camera has a Starbase 415 image sensor. It also supports true color night vision, smart motion detection, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi and app control, loop recording and parking mode. The build quality of the D10 is very nice. It is heavier than any other dashcam that I've previously used. It has chrome buttons with a 3.16-inch LCD screen. There are vents all around the dashcam for better heat dissipation. It has a port for the rear dash camera and a mini USB for powering this dashcam. The rear camera is 1080p, it is adjustable, and it comes along with a pretty much long cable. This dashcam comes with a mount, so you can remove the dashcam if you want to remove it, or you want to clean something on the screen. You can just remove the dashcam and do your stuff and put it back. Before installing the dashcam in the car, I will like to connect it and show you guys here on the table. I will be powering it with a battery bank. I usually power my dashcam with a battery bank when it's in parking mode. So the screen is pretty much good. You can adjust the languages. The setup is pretty much self-explanatory. You just have to follow the guidelines on the screen. I will set the time later. When you start up the camera for the first time, you will have to format the SD card. All the settings of this camera can be adjusted from this screen, like the video settings, the system settings. You can adjust so many features of this camera from the easy menu. You can disable, enable features. And this camera doesn't have a touchscreen. You will have to use the buttons, so remember that. Now I will connect the rear camera and show you guys. So here is the front camera. I will press a button. It will shift to the rear camera. If I press the button again, it will shift back to the front camera. By scanning the QR code, I downloaded the KAWA app. And then I added the D10 camera from the app. In your network connections, it will be named KAWA. You will have to add the password, that is 12345678. The app will ask you to verify this dashcam by pressing a button on the dashcam. Now your camera is connected with the KAWA app. You will not have to touch the camera again, and you can also watch the videos recorded directly from the phone. You don't have to remove the SD card every time. You can further adjust the camera from this app, and there are so many settings that you can change. The time of the camera adjusted automatically. From the settings you can adjust all these options of the camera that you want to use or not use. You can change the units, you can turn up the volume, you can mute the mic. There are so many things that you can change from this app. Before installing the dashcam on the windscreen of your car, clean it with a microfiber cloth. After spraying alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, something like that, so it cleans all the dust or any blemishes that are on the windscreen. After completely drying it, stick the static sticker onto the windscreen. Remove any bubbles if there are any. Peel off the protective layer on the M sticker that is on the mount and stick this mount onto the static sticker on the windscreen. Now attach the dashcam onto the mount. Repeat the same steps for attaching the dashcam to the rear screen. It is more easier to connect the rear dashcam and power cable when the dashcam is not on the mount. I did not pull any panels off my car. I just routed the cable over the sun visor to the handle, and from there, from back of the seat to the center console. This camera is very compact and it's hidden behind the rear view mirror, so it does not obstruct any view. Using the KAWA app, you can transfer the video files to your phone. Here is a sample video of this dashcam. It shows the speed, the GPS coordinates, the time, and the date. This dashcam has a wide field of view thanks to its 150-degree lens. Even though it's cloudy and the light is low, the image is still clear and bright. And the number plates can be read, especially of the cars in the front. The quality of the rear camera is just okay. You will not be able to read the registration plates. Anyways, it will show you if something happens at the back or someone hits you from the back. You will know and there will be proof. In addition to this, there is too much reflection on the lens. Maybe some polarized sticker on the lens can help with this. And this was all about today's video. I tried to review this camera in a simple and brief way. If this video was helpful for you, a like will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.